So knowledge is not only power, it's a stress reducer.
Absolutely, yes. You know what's going on. It's that uncertainty, and then, oh my goodness, what's happening, and now there's something wrong with me. And what I love about this model too, it gets away from pure diagnosis, rather than saying, this child has ADHD and this child has ASD and whatever else comes in between there. And yes, perhaps those things are there, but this gives a chance more to say, even though they're there, how can we help the child engage and connect when the child feels safe and we're able to look at what their strengths are, look at their abilities rather than the disabilities. And, even for a child with ASD or on the spectrum, the more anxious they are, the more quirky they become. Whereas the more safe they feel, the more they're connected and you're working within their window of tolerance, within their comfort zone, you just see such great improvements. The neuroscience even talks about ADHD and says that some children's dopamine receptors fire at a slower rate. So as a result, they jump from thing to thing or activity to activity because they're not getting that dopamine release, that sense of achievement. So, and I know some schools of thought go to medication, but what about if we taught them at early years how to, tackle little tasks and be successful in those little tasks and help them focus on effort and really praise them when they've achieved it? That what happens in that way, that you sort of, helping the brain rewire and start firing dopamine. So, it's so important. So it gives information, it gives a basis rather than just a diagnosis.
Well, if you want to know more about the science of psychotherapy, come across to our website, thescienceofpsychotherapy.com, and our podcast of the same name, and learn more about the science of you.